those of you who don't know me, my name is Mitali Sharma. I have been a NEET aspirant for the past 2.5 years and I just gave NEET 2020 in which I have secured an All India rank of 68. This video is basically going to be about the timetable that I followed in my 2 years of preparation, which led me to score 700 out of 720 marks in the main examination. So without wasting much of your time, let's quickly get into the video. Starting from the morning, I used to wake up at 5 am and do 1 hour of self-study till 6 am. My self-study in the morning usually included biology. Then I used to quickly get ready for my class within 15 to 20 minutes and leave for my class. My class timings were from 6:30 am to 12:45 pm. We used to have 4 lectures in a day with 3 breaks. I used to study with full concentration in all the 4 lectures, but I also tried to use all of the 3 breaks very efficiently for my studies. You can see here very clearly how did I used to spend my breaks. I used to have my breakfast in the first break. I used the second break for any kind of doubt clearing or revision or completing any kind of homework that we were provided in class. I usually use the third break to either relax or again revising. Our class used to get over by 12:45 or 1 pm, after which I returned to my hostel and I used to have my lunch. I used to freshen myself up and I used to frequently take a 10 to 15 minutes nap after coming back from class. I used to do all these activities till 2:30 pm. One important habit that I had was to revise all the things that were taught to us on that day completely. So I used to start my revision from 2:30 and give it approximately 1 hour to revise all the 4 lectures of that day and complete all the homework that was given to us on that particular day. After completing my 1 hour of revision, I used to start my first session of self-study of the day from 3:30 to 5:30 in the evening. In this session, I used to solve questions, I used to revise old chapters, read NCERTs and make my own notes. I used to take a half an hour break from 5:30 to 6 in which I could move around leisurely, eat something or maybe just watch something on YouTube. I started my second session of self-study from 6 pm and it lasted till 8:15 pm. Again, I used to do all the chapters that I had listed for myself to do on that particular day, make notes, try to learn the things which I used to forget again and again, read NCERTs. These were some of the things that I used to do in my sessions of self-study. I then took the second break of my day from 8:15 to 9 pm in which I used to have my dinner. I used to call my parents and talk to them and do all the other essential activities. From 9 to 10:30 was the time when I used to revise the day. I used to take up all the chapters that I had read from the morning till the evening in the day and I used to recall all the points that I had read or were taught to me on that particular day. After 10:30, I used to make my bed, set my books for the next day and get ready to sleep, and I used to sleep sharp by 11. I did not extended my sleeping time because I knew that I had to wake up on the next day again at 5 am and at least a 6 hour of continuous sleep is very important for us to be productive in the next day. So this is what my timetable or my schedule used to look like when I was preparing for NEET. Another very important thing that I wanted to mention here is that I made this timetable for myself while preparing for NEET, keeping in mind my study requirement, my sleep requirement. I was able to give my full output in a day even after sleeping just for 6 hours in a day. It may be possible that just 6 hours of sleep for you is not enough. It may be possible that your body needs at least a 7 to 8 hours of sleep to be as efficient and as productive as I was. Therefore, please do not try to completely and exactly copy my timetable. Please take an idea from it and design a timetable for yourself according to your needs, according to your capability, according to your study hours and according to your class hours. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any kind of queries regarding NEET with a hashtag of AskMithali, and I'll definitely answer it in the next Q&A session. You can also share this video with your aspirant friends or any other person whom you think will be benefited by this video. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel. We are very close to 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. And yeah, I'll see you very soon on the channel with more content regarding NEET preparation. So stay tuned. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye. Take care.